Any questions? No. Okay.
No.
So now today we have completed Sun. Today I'll be talking about Chandra, the very, very important planet. Moon. Because why Moon is an important planet? Apparently every planet is important, but Moon सबसे important को इसलिए गिना जाता है because it gives you the results typically of everyday life. What is Moon? समझना एक बात को बिल्कुल broader perspective में. आप जब भी मून को रोज सुबह in the evening, night time, whenever you see moon in the sky, it is always different. You see a very different perspective. You see a very different shape of a moon. Correct. So when we say it in शुक्ल पक्ष, इसको हम चांदना पक्ष भी बोलते हैं, which we say और बड़े सारे नाम है उसके, right? So moon grows from 0 to full moon, and then comes अमावस्या or कृष्ण पक्ष, then goes from 100 to 0. So moon in 15 days goes from 0 to 100, it changes shape every day. And then vice versa, 100 to 0. So moon is a planet which is said to be responsible for our mood swings also. आप लोग हमेशा कितनी बारी बोला जाता है ना, पंजाबी people who are in Punjab, you can understand 365 चरित्र नाम. It typically means कि every day it's a very different mood for every, it's specially set for females, but I'll say for the moon related people. When I say moon related people, कौन हुआ? जिनके लग्न में moon है. People who have moon in Lagna, people who have Kark Lagna. Kark Lagna means Cancer. We spoke about it, right? Which Rashis are governed by which planets? We have spoken about it, right? So Kark Lagna. Kark means the Cancer Lagna people. Those are again moon developed people. Lagna is a very, very important aspect. Lagna is a very, very important area of thing where you need to consider it all the time, right? So Chandra, either in Lagna, with Lagnesh. How with Lagnesh? कि मतलब मून shall be seated somewhere, हो सकता है. और जो लग्न, फॉर एन एग्जांपल आई एम पिकिंग अप कन्या लग्न. कन्या मींस वर्गो लग्न. Mercury is sitting in the 4th house. Very vague example. I don't know whose example, what example I'm talking about. Mercury is sitting in the 4th house and moon is also being out there. So Kanya Lagna means, Virgo Lagna means, who's the Lagna Lord? Venus, Mercury is the Lagna Lord. Buddha is the Lagna Lord, right? Remember this? I told you 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 8. We spoke about it, right? So 6 Kanya, Mercury is the lordship sitting with moon being out there. Moon is the 11th lord. That is very, very separate, but sitting. So that is the reason again moon has an association. भाई दोस्त के साथ बैठा हुआ ना उसके घर में, एसोसिएशन है उसका मर्क्यूरी के साथ. मून का एसोसिएशन है मर्क्यूरी. हु इज द मर्क्यूरी इन दिस हॉरोस्कोप? मर्क्यूरी इज द लग्न लग्नेश. This is clear or not clear? एक बड़ा vague example दिया. Moon is a planet which is responsible for your mood swings. In general, just understand this. Wherever your moon is, will always give you ups and downs in the area. For an example, moon is in the Lagna. वो व्यक्ति को आप जब भी देखोगे, pick up a dish like, so now supposedly that person likes XYZ any dish, Chinese or Manchurian or whatsoever, right? He or she may get bored out of it, or they may have a mood swing out of it कि नहीं मेरे को अभी नहीं खाना. They may always fluctuate themselves. Same way as moon in the 7th. Moon is what? It never lets you satisfy. Why? For a very simple reason. Understand the story. Moon had 27 wives. All the nakshatras are moon's wife, right? So moon then also had an illegitimate relationship with the 28th female and had a child out of it. It's a beta. So उनके तो ससुर थे. He was cursed because of it, because he was never content. 27 wives. Then also the contentment was not there. He had a relationship with the 28th female and had a son out. Right? तो इसलिए बोला गया कि जहां पर भी मून होगा, wherever your moon in your horoscope is, it will never give you satisfaction. Moon in the 7th house. It doesn't mean 7th house means your relationship, spouse. It typically doesn't mean anywhere कि वो प्रॉब्लम देगा. उसका मतलब वो रिलेशन तोड़ देगा. बट होगा मैं शायद अपने पार्टनर से और भी कुछ चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ. So for an example, as a male, my moon is in 7th house. I may have that expectation or my कि नहीं यार शायद और better हो सकता था. I could have got a better partner for that matter. Or I don't know what is like that. You got getting my point कि मतलब वो एक contentment नहीं होता है कभी भी relationship में. Moon in the 10th house, there should be no contentment towards what your work area, 10th house. कि कहीं ना कहीं वो व्यक्ति supposedly he has one of the best packages in India or in the world and he's working for the best company. Then also नहीं यार नहीं है यार, मतलब आई वो किक नहीं आ रहे हैं, दैट टिपिकली व्हेन वी से ना मून 10th हाउस, मून 11th हाउस, दैट पर्सन विल ऑलवेज फिगर आउट वंस और द अदर के मैं अपनी इनकम और डबल कैसे कर सकता हूँ, मल्टीपल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम्स. And you're getting my point what I'm trying to say. Who's not able to understand, you can pause me out here itself, then I'll continue. So understanding moon, wherever moon is, gives you mood swing, it gives you ups and downs all the time. वो है ना बिल्कुल क्या कहते हैं उसे, वेवी है. तो एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ एक, एनी एरिया विच यू नो नियर बाय, जहाँ पर पानी वानी है, तो यू ऑलवेज से पूर्णिमा the tides are quite high, अमावस्या the tides are quite less. Reason, the moon waves are very very strong, it goes typically like that. That's the reason you'll find many people may have some problems related to their mood swings near Amavasya or Purnima. Moon can be in a problem when it is under Rahu Ketu axis. Moon can be a problem when it is a 6th 12th house. Moon can be a problem when it is with Shani, slows you down. Moon can be a problem with Mercury being out there, it gives you communication rhythm. Understand moon. Moon is the fastest planet. एक example देता हूँ. Moon is the fastest moving planet in our solar system and Saturn is the slowest moving planet. So whenever it is said Moon and Saturn are together, कहीं पर भी हो सकते हैं in the horoscope, it can be the first house, second house, third house, fourth house, blah blah blah. उसका attribute तो आएगा ही आएगा, but समझने की कोशिश करना, that creates a confusion state of mind. Whenever Moon and Saturn are together in any houses, I understand right now in any house. For example, Chandra Shani are in first house. Let's talk about the first house. That person confusion state of mind can be very very high. Why? एक कौन सी गाड़ी है, एक फरारी है. Moon is a Ferrari, it's running. What Moon does in 2.5 days, Saturn does in 2.5 years. And Saturn is what बैलगाड़ी, going very very slow. So it can never match their speeds, right? So that's the area that person is governed by both of the planets. It will give you the confusion state of mind. वो कभी choose नहीं कर पाता क्या हो रहा है. Moon, Mercury being out there, it is always said whenever Chandra, Budh in the horoscope together, that person has communication related issues. Communication related issues का मतलब हुआ कि वो व्यक्ति बात कर रहा है and he or she may say something or the other which may give them a problem. Why? Mercury is communication. Write it down. Mercury is communication. Moon is again that speedy coming out there. So वो क्या बोले जाते हैं, मैं लाइन बोलता हूँ, जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करे अल्फाज मेरे. I want to say something, I say something and other person understands something else. I want to praise the weather. These days weather is not that very very great in north, so I cannot praise it. But in general, if I want to praise the weather, I will be saying something if I have a moon chandra, which may sound very abusive or it may sound I'm very rude towards the area. Okay, I'm cursing something. That is typically Chandra Budh. So moon जिसके साथ जाता है उसके तत्व देखा जाता है. Moon सूर्य जब भी साथ हुआ, अमावस्या born birth हुआ. So Chandra itself is very very weak. Christian Paksh, whenever any planet goes towards the sun, it burns itself. I spoke about it last time. I don't know. Surya is what? Surya is the source of energy. Any planet in and around plus minus 8 degrees or 10 degrees to Surya, 8 and 10 इसलिए बोले different planets से different degrees होता है. It always burns that planet. जला देता है. Females will understand whenever you're cooking, you go towards that क्या बोलते हैं, so stove. हाथ गलती से लग जाता है तो जल जाता है. वो क्या कहते हैं उसे? So that is with Surya. Any planet plus minus 8 to 10 degrees to sun always gives a problem. So moon whenever it is Amavasya, again that mental attributes problem being out there. Any planet Amavasya or Purnima, I said moon is one area which you need to figure out. Correct? अब चंद्र जब हम बात करते हैं, चंद्र is related to which? Chandra is related to Shri Krishna. Prabhu Shri Krishna as Vishnu avatar. You remember I told you that every planet has an avatar connected to it. So Chandra is connected to Shri Krishna being out there. So Chandra has different names. Chandra, Chandrama, Chandrika, Indu, Udapati, बहुत सारे. It has 20 other names. Soma is when very very strong name which is said. Krishna was born to two saintly parents. We all know, right? Who were imprisonment अपने वहाँ पे. किसकी वजह से imprisonment? अपने मामे की वजह से imprisonment में थे. Because Kans had to kill all the बच्चों, उनको सबको मारना था उन्होंने. It had to be like that. So what happened at one time जब वो incarnation, नारायण incarnation आना था, when Vishnu had to come as Lord Shri Krishna, so क्या स्टोरी बोली जाती है कि भाई उस टाइम पे जब पैदा हुए थे तो सारे बेहोश हो गए थे, खाना पीना से सब बेहोश हो गए थे, तो दरवाजे खुल गए थे, एंड इट हैड टू बी टेकन टू गोकुल, और वहां पर उनको और यशोदा माँ की बेटी को लेके आना था. इट वाज अ चेंज. आदि शक्ति हैड टू कम आउट देयर. सो कंस जब मारने गया था यशोदा के बच्चे को, तो लड़की थी, तो उस टाइम पे आकाशवाणी हुई थी. वी ऑल हैव सीन दैट महाभारत सीन एंड सिनेरियो, राइट? आई एम जस्ट कनेक्टिंग दैट. तो उसके बाद वो वहीं रहे. देयर वर अटेम्प्ट्स, मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स मेड आउट देयर टू किल Krishna, but nothing happened for that matter. So at the age of 15, he went back to Mathura. It was somewhere written 15, it is somewhere it is 16. 15 I'll take. It was, he went back to Mathura to take his revenge from his mama. And he killed him. We know the story, उन्होंने कंस को मारा था. तो one age which is set very very clear is 15 साल. Wherever your moon is, कंगना जी मैंने क्या बोला, 32 साल सूर्य है. Wherever your moon is gives you result at the age of 12. At the age of 50. At the age of 50. At the age of 50. I'm sorry. Wherever moon is, that gives that result at the age of 50. One more thing, हम जब एक बात करते हैं, so till the age of 12, now this is something different, don't mix it. Till the age of 12, the horoscopes of child does not activate in totality. 12 साल की उम्र तक बच्चे की कुंडली काम नहीं करती है बच्चे के ऊपर. One single reason. So for an example, I have a 2, 3, 5 or 10 years old child. So what will I ask them? Get ready. I'll take out the clothes, get ready, and we have to go for a party. We do not ask them. As soon as a teenager enters, we ask you want to go or not. And that's very, very clear, obvious. The parents who have the teenage kids, they'll understand this pain. I'm getting into that in the next 2, 3 years. I'm preparing myself, right? So, jokes apart. So, अब क्या बोला गया, पहले 4 साल जो होते हैं, first 4 years of your life are governed, of a child I'm saying, are governed by mother's karmas, माँ के कर्म. Next 4 years are father's karmas, and last 4 years are spending life karmas. पहले 4 साल माँ के, अगले 4 साल पिता के, लास्ट के 4 साल पिछले जन्म के प्रारब्ध कर्म जिसको बोला गया, वो बच्चा उससे गवर्न करता है. As he turns 12, his horoscope gets activated. As an astrologer, I get it many times. मेरा बच्चा बचपन में इतना सीधा था, ये जैसे टीनेज में आया तो मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. तो समझ इसलिए आ रहा क्योंकि बच्चे के हॉरोस्कोप एक्टिवेट अभी तक आपके हिसाब से चल रहा था. He was you were a controller. Now that horoscope is activated. That's the reason. So I always say, and I always suggest everybody, do not see child's horoscope till the age of 12. I do not see my child's horoscope. I'll be utterly very clear. मैं नहीं देखता, कभी भी नहीं देखता. Shastra also said, if you want to see a child's horoscope, only one condition is there. If that child is ill, mrityu tulya kasht, then only a child horoscope can be seen, else it can never ever be seen. Clear है? कोई डाउट तो नहीं इसके अंदर अभी तक? तो बच्चे की कुंडली नहीं देखते हैं, 12 साल के बाद देखते हैं. 12 साल के बाद मैंने बोला wherever your moon is gets activated in the age of 15 years. Simple, right? Not going forward. तो भगवान श्री कृष्ण के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे, तो भगवान जी कृष्ण जी ने अब उनको मारा, आगे गए. कंस के बाद 15 साल की उम्र में उन्होंने गोकुल छोड़ा, कंस के पास गए, उसको मारा, एंड rest is known as a story. कृष्ण जी बड़े कहाँ हुए थे? कृष्ण जी grew up in such an atmosphere between cow herds, जहाँ पर सब प्यार करते थे, तो early environment cherishness. तो चंद्र क्या है? चंद्र का रूल क्या बोला जाता है? चंद्र रूल्स बाय काउस. हम लोग जब गाय की बात करते हैं, दूध की बात करते हैं, you must have seen milk related things whenever comes, moon plays an utter important role. Butter हम लोग जिसको बोलते हैं मक्खन, what we say, right? Ma mani makhan khayo. That is typically moon related. Anything which is white, anything which is milky is always Chandra related. A remedy comes in. Whenever you see a person who has problems related to his mental attributes, बोलते हैं ना चंद्र वीक है, जैसा मैंने आपको समझाया, चंद्र बड़ा बेसिक मैंने बताया चंद्र वीक कैसे, तो उस व्यक्ति को एक चीज बोल सकते हो, महा शिवलिंग के ऊपर रेगुलरली चलते. लॉजिक अंडरस्टैंड नाउ. Our anxiety is typically built out of the more important planet is Chandra, moon, right? That's the most important. What happens is there is now understand scientifically, people who understand medical, we understand it very very easily. हमारे यहाँ पर एक हार्मोन होता है which is known as cortisol. Cortisol होता है, इसको बोलते हैं stress hormone. Why is how is cortisol activated? Cortisol is activated when you do not drink water. मतलब आपके dehydrated होते हो जब, तो आपका कॉर्टिसोल एक्टिवेटेड होता है. तो कितनी बार होता है ना, व्हेन यू आर डिहाइड्रेटेड, तो इमीडिएटली आधा पानी पीना यार, पानी दे, मतलब वो इमीडिएटली वो घबराहट सी होती है. दैट इज द कॉर्टिसोल लेवल गेटिंग वेरी वेरी हाई. एंजाइटी. सो व्हाट इज अगेन, what is the lack in your body? That is water which is lacking in your body. Moon is what? Moon is again water coming in your life. It is always said whenever you एक वाटर, पानी ज्यादा पियोगे, यू आर एस्टैब्लिशिंग गुड मून. इसलिए क्या बोला जाता है, पानी वेस्ट मत करो. पानी रिलेटेड रेमेडीज, महादेव पर पानी चढ़ाओ. वाई महादेव? वेयर इज चंद्र लोकेटेड? ऑन महादेव. Got the logic? Cortisol, water, drink more and more of water. Whenever you give water, whenever you bath, our pores, body pores are so high कि वो पानी absorb करता है. पानी absorb करता है वो सारा का सारा. तो इस चक्कर में बोला गया कि water establishment is very very important. You take up any remedy. Now make up a remedy for yourself. Moon, you want to have water, you want to donate water or whatsoever, that is typically related to something. Right? उस बंदे को बोले था कुछ मत कर यार, तू स्विमिंग पूल में रहे. Yeah, you go near the sea areas, you will feeling better. And you understand the logic that I'm coming from. What is you can make your own remedy out of it. Seeing Deshkal Paristhiti, so somebody example, somebody is in US, UK, Canada, whatsoever. He or she cannot give water to Mahadev. भाई शिवलिंग नहीं मिलने वाले हैं, तो क्या करें? तो इस चक्कर में understand that remedy. So one remedy is that, so because your anxiety levels, cortisol level is very very high. People today, it's a very sad story. People do not understand remedies. कि जब तक भगवान नहीं आएंगे तो रेमेडी नहीं होता. अभी मैं किसी से बात भी कर रहा था, आई टेक अप द टॉपिक अगेन. Remedies, your lifestyle remedies also remedies. In this class or another class, I was discussing with somebody, I don't remember. If you want to balance your 9 planets without doing any remedy, what is that? You get up early in the morning before sun rises, you do your yoga asana, you do your yoga, you do your workout, you sweat typically, you go, you take your bath, go and do your pujas in your mandir, going around your work and everywhere, be respectful to everybody, coming back. सुबह जब जाते तो गाय को भी खाना खिलाते जाना है. I'm sorry. Coming back, going into mandir, coming back at home, taking care of your family. We are balancing every planet of that. Every planet. Why? Getting early in the morning before sun, so Surya is good. After that, taking good working out and everything, Mangal is good. Going to your mandir and everything, Jupiter is good. Ketu is getting balanced. You are going and helping your workers and everybody. Shani is getting balanced. You are coming back and taking वो गाय को चारा खिलाया, हरा चारा बोलते तो Mercury, Venus taking care of it. You going back at home, फिर मंदिर मत्था टेका, घर पे गया तो शुक्र को ठीक ठाक किया, वाइफ के साथ बच्चों का ठीक किया, बुद्धू ठीक किया. So कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है? I am assuming you must have heard these stories from your elder people. दादा दादी के साथ वो ऐसे ही चलते थे. हम नहीं चलते हैं, हम तो गाड़ी से बाहर बैठे नहीं रखते हैं. Sad truth. It's actually sad truth. So that's how because we people are handicapped, we need remedies every now and then. But anytime doing your lifestyle remedies is utterly helpful, right? Shweta ji was there. The class didn't start. She was early comer today, and she was discussing something. And this is not a very debatable topic, but I'll give you a logic behind it. Understand this. कर्म कैसे ठीक हो सकते हैं planets की पूजा करके? How can you improve your karmas while doing puja of your planets? Karmas for doing puja of your planets will never ever improve. Understand one thing very very clear. Karmas is different, planets is different. Karmas is somewhere where you have written your story and you want to erase that. There are some problems or good things, bad things, you want to clear them off. साफ करना है. And planets are what you need to pacify. As a mother will understand. बच्चा शैतान है, बच्चा रूठा हुआ है. You pacify that kid. ये ले बेटा chocolate. ये ले बेटा टॉफी, चल बेटा घूमने चले, लेट्स गो टू द मॉल. We pacify our kids. We bribe them. What is typically said, but we cannot bribe our planets. What we do is we do chantings. We offer them sweets or their bhog or whatsoever we said. वो हर जगह का अलग अलग है, right? In South, many people do not know. हनुमान जी is given as मेदू वड़ा. वो वड़ा खाते हैं ना. नॉर्थ में अपन लोग जैसे निशा जी नॉर्थ में नहीं पता किसी को भी, देखो क्रेजी पैसे. We have to offer Medu Vada to Hanuman ji, that you not understand. So Medu Vada being out there, Bundi being out there, in Maharashtra, what we offer to Ganpati is Modak, but not in anywhere in India we do not get Modak 12 months. It's just Mumbai or Maharashtra where we get. So every attribute is very very different. Calcutta, what is offered in Navratris, fish or something of that sort. Going to the north, you talk about lasan vyas also, you are sinned. You आपको पता लगता है पाप लगेगा, तू बात भी कर रहा है तो ऐसे. Everybody must have, उनको सबको एक प्रॉब्लम आती होगी नॉर्थ की तरफ पे. श्वेता जी फ्रॉम आगरा, so you understand that area कि वो नहीं मिलता वहाँ पर. मतलब मैं खुद में होता है कि I am not that very crazy, but मेरे को टेस्ट थोड़ा सा ठीक ठाक लगता है. तो 9 days, 9 plus 9 days, 18 days of my year is very very difficult for me. So I do not fast, I do not do anything.
I don't eat onion garlic. That's why I'm very happy.
so the area where you are from, na, the deck is very, very common there. But you
No,
talk
yeah, I'm happy because I'm married in Agra, na, but I'm not from Agra basically. I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. But
oh,
in yeah, but in Agra, everywhere we get without onion garlic, na. That is,
मथुरा
हाँ,
है ना वो कृष्ण जी
मथुरा वृंदावन क्षेत्र है या ब्रज क्षेत्र के कारण.
को तो कहीं मिलेगा ही नहीं कहीं पर. So it is as
हाँ,
simple as, now say
yeah,
suppose you go to Calcutta and not talk about it, they won't understand this.
yeah,
They won't even understand this. How can you do this? हमें तो भोग लगता है यार.
yeah.
ये क्या परिस्थिति है. So why did I came? So अच्छा कर्मा के ऊपर आते हैं. अब कर्मा कहाँ से मैंने लास्ट टाइम मतलब पेंडिंग लाइफ पास्ट लाइफ कर्मा फिफ्थ हाउस. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट फिफ्थ हाउस मींस basic नैसर्गिक राशि. फिफ्थ राशि लियो राशि. Who is the lordship of Leo Rashi? Surya is the lordship of Leo Rashi. The only remedy, not only remedy, one of the remedies which is written is what? Start chanting Gayatri mantra on regular basis to cleanse your karmas. This is only written as basically. हर planet के ऊपर बात नहीं करी गई वहां. Gayatri, understand Gayatri. It's said to cleanse your karmas, to clear your pending karmas is Gayatri. Pacifying Mangal, pacifying Ketu, pacifying any other planet is not giving your pending karmas. That is your pacification towards the planet. You understood the logic behind it, pacification and the pending karmas, right? Different है. हम लोगों को लगता है एक ही चीज पर एक चीज नहीं है. मैं आज हनुमान चालीसा कर रहा हूँ तो शायद मैं किसी मतलब के लिए कर रहा हूँ, मकसद के लिए कर रहा हूँ. हो सकता है. बट जब मैं गायत्री करता हूँ तो मेरा मकसद एक ही है कि मेरे पिछले जन्म के प्रारब्ध साफ हो जाए. हमारे में क्या बोला गया? डू नॉट डू एनी सिन और यू विल क्रिएट more karmas for your side. It is not written out there to pray to XYZ God, your karmas will be. It's not. It's as simple as that. Somebody like me or you have made that dictum out there. But what is written, I'm trying to tell you that. अभी तक समझ आया? That was the basic difference. We spoke about it 5 minutes. I'm not so sure. She was here. I should go. Might have missed. So you're just talking about that for 5 minutes. It means I'll talk to you later. Logic समझ आया जो मैंने बोला? ब्रिजवासी. So what we were talking about? Moon, Chandra. So moon का अभी तक जो मैंने बोला, that was clear to you, right? हम लोग जब बात करते हैं तो moon is said whenever the moon is into your Shukla Paksh, it is considered strong when it is just 7 or 8 days left towards the Shukla Paksh. It is considered very, very strong being, or it's a strong moon. And as soon as the Krishna Paksh starts, it's coming near to the Amavasya area, Saptami Ashtami, what is said for the Krishna Paksh, the moon gets starting, वो weak होना शुरू हो जाता है. Because moon की power downside जा रही है ना, it is getting towards the zero area. So that is what is written out there. It technically what is it said is from Saptami Ashtami of Shukla Paksh till Saptami Ashtami of Krishna Paksh, moon is strong, and from Saptami Ashtami of Krishna Paksh to Saptami Ashtami of Shukla Paksh, moon is weak. Moon's power is less. 15 days moon's power is good, 15 days moon's power is less. From Krishna Paksh to Shukla Paksh, Saptami Ashtami, moon is weak. क्योंकि अमावस्या आएगा ना बीच में, तो अमावस्या आएगा तो वीक होगा. जब जैसे वो पूर्णिमा आ जाएगा, वो मून स्ट्रांग होना शुरू हो गया. उसको स्पिनच मिल रहा है, पॉपॉय सेलर मैन स्पिनच खा रहा है, एंड इट्स गेटिंग स्ट्रांग. अगर मैं चंद्र की बात करता हूँ, मदर, माइंड, moods, domestic life, water, your reputation, your emotions, your eating area, your left eye, your travel. This is all related to what? This is all related to Chandra, moon out there, right? Chandra की राशि कौन सी है? I spoke about it. Chandra राशि is कर्क. Stomach sattva, तो सत्व गुण is related to Chandra. In planetary cabinet, the moon is related to the queen. When I say sun is the king, moon is the queen. Sun is the king, moon is the queen. The sex of Chandra is considered as female. Where is moon residing? Moon is always residing towards the watery area. What the remedy did I tell you? Somebody has a weak moon, the moon swings area, water related elements is very, very important for that matter. Right? North in Vastu, northwest direction is somewhere which is related to Chandra out there. Right? So in articles, when we talk about moon, so rice, milk, silver, pearl, curd, mishri, sugar candy, what we say, right? Mishri. White cloth, flowers, sandal. This is all related to Chandra being out there. Devi Parvati is also said, if you pray to Devi Parvati, Chandra is again connected towards Devi Parvati, Durga Parvati, Gauri, as we say, right? Abhi tak koi questions? Sun, we spoke about exaltation and debilitation. Neech ka unuch ka na. So where is Sun, Chandra, Moon exalted? Moon is exalted in Taurus Rashi, right? Moon is debilitated where? In Scorpio Rashi. उससे बिल्कुल 7th राशि Scorpio. चंद्र के दोस्त कौन है? सूर्य, मंगल और गुरु. चंद्र का ट्रांजिट टाइम क्या होता है कंगना? 2.5 दिन, 2.5 days. You people are writing it down, right? Whenever moon is in the 4th house, any rashi, वृश्चिक को छोड़ दो ना, बाकी any राशि, it is considered, it's a directional stand. दिग्बल बोला गया, strong बोला गया. मैंने सूर्य के लिए क्या बोला था? लग्न 10th house, right? Remember I told about सूर्य. तो चंद्र के लिए क्या? वो 4th house आ गया. Where is moon the weakest? Moon is weakest in the 8th house. It is said as maran karak avastha. Any rashi, supposedly moon is uch, moon is exalted or owns and whatsoever, it is in the maran karak avastha. एक रूल बोला गया, but this is to be considered very very strongly. Wherever moon sits, मैंने जो स्टार्टिंग दी थी कि मूड स्विंग्स देता है, cheating or thought of it can be depending on the condition of moon in the chart. Cheating or thought of it, for an example, मैं cheating सबसे पहले आता हूँ, हम लोग जो बात करते हैं, और mental area comes out to the spouse area, 7th house. यार मैं शायद और अच्छा हो सकता था. योर चंद्र खुद ही वो दे रहा है कि यार शायद हो सकता है. 10th हाउस मैंने बोला था, व्हाट डिड आई से? यार आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड विद दिस जॉब. ही मे गेटिंग 1 crore रुपए, देन आल्सो आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड विद दिस जॉब. शायद और मैं जगह अच्छी जा सकता हूं. Wherever moon sits, cheating of any point can be seen out there. एक चीज और बोली जाती है मून के साथ में, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
ये पॉइंट क्लियर नहीं हुआ चीटिंग वाला.
कैसे? अच्छा यू जॉइन लेट. सो मैंने क्या बोला था, चंद्र जहां पर होता है ना, तो वहां उठक बैठक करता है. तो शास्त्र में बोला है जहां पर चंद्र होता है वो एक पर्सपेक्टिव में चीटिंग देता है. अब मैंने एग्जांपल क्या दिया, चंद्र 10th हाउस में है. 10th हाउस का उद्देश्य होता है जी, 10th हाउस इज रिलेटेड टू योर प्रोफेशन. तो होता है ना, इट नेवर अलाउज यू टू सेटल वेरी वेरी वेल. मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं फ्लक्चुएशन जरूर देता है. अब वो फ्लक्चुएशन चीटिंग प्रोफेशन में क्या होगा? नहीं यार, मेरे को ये बंदा 1 crore रुपए महीना दे रहे हैं, बट नहीं यार मैं ना कंटेंट नहीं हूँ, लेट मी हंट फॉर समवेयर एल्स. दैट काइंड ऑफ. Okay. You are cheating. मतलब you would always have an ability in not being trustworthy.
Not being sure. Yeah.
Exactly. वो हमेशा वो उठक बैठक करके देता है, हमेशा. चंद्र एक और चीज बोलेगी, wherever moon is, apply this is very very helpful. You need to once cry to get that typically results in your life. रोना पड़ता है, मतलब लिटरली रुलाता है चंद्र एक बार उसका पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट पे. मैंने बहुत बार देखा, मून इन 7th हाउस, दैट पर्सन वांट्स टू गेट मैरिड टू अ लव मैरिज काइंड ऑफ एरिया जो मेरे को पसंद है. घर वाले मान ही नहीं मान, मगर वो रोना जरूर पड़ता है कि यार प्लीज मेरी से शादी करा दो, इस तरह का. व्हाट्स द राइट. अब वो शादी अरेंज मैरिज हो रही है, तो प्लीज मुझे से शादी नहीं करनी है. मतलब इट वुड बी समथिंग लाइक दैट. Wherever a moon is, once makes you cry for that positive result of the house. एक और चीज बोली जाती है, जहां पर चंद्र होते हैं, wherever moon is 12th from it, उससे 12th, एग्जाम्पल moon is in the 3rd house. ठीक है ना? चलो, moon is in the 4th house, it will be easy for you. Moon is in the 4th house. 12th house from the 4th house is what? 3rd house. उससे एक हाउस पहले 3rd house, right? तो बोला गया trouble to the one of the relatives indicated by the 12th house from the moon. कहीं ना कहीं दिक्कत समस्या जरूर रह सकती है उससे 12th हाउस के रिलेशन में. Every house has some of the relationships, right? भवात भवम we spoke about it very detailed कि हर उसमें है. तो जहां पर चंद्र होगा उससे 12th हाउस में देखना उस रिलेशन को कहीं ना कहीं दिक्कत समस्या जरूर हो सकती है. I have seen it चंद्र 4 लव के साथ कहीं ना कहीं दिक्कत रह जाती है. What is said?
सर
मैम
प्लीज रिपीट करना है सर, बिकॉज आपकी वॉइस स्टक हो गई थी बीच में.
मैंने बोला जहां पर भी चंद्र होगा वहां से 12th में it gives you troubles towards that relationship. So I give an example. 4th of Chandra can have troubles from the younger siblings. अब सिबलिंग मतलब उनकी तबीयत भी खराब हो सकती है, हो भी नहीं सकते हैं, फिर अच्छा रिलेशनशिप इन जनरल. यू हैव टू एनालाइज दैट बाय द राशिज एंड एवरीवेयर. मतलब एक मैंने टर्मिनोलॉजी बताया. यू हैव टू वर्क अपॉन दैट, राइट? So to have a good positive moon, don't waste water, milk, rice. Respect mother-like figure, maternal relatives. Respect female government officials. सूर्य क्या बोला था? Government officials. यहाँ पर रहता है female government officials. is Chandra. Why? It is the queen. So Chandra being out there, Surya being out there as a king, Chandra is the queen out there. तो इसलिए बोला female officers की या फिर किसी government सरकारी की आपको बदतमीजी नहीं करनी चाहिए उस व्यक्ति के लिए. Chandra is also seen, Lal Kitab says कि एक व्यक्ति जिसका मून थोड़ा सा वीक होता है, if that person or female keeps square silver piece, not round, Lal Kitab remedy, square silver piece, it will be helpful. Not round is Mercury, it's not considered very very well with moon. So square silver piece रखे तो उस आदमी के लिए औरत के लिए अच्छा रहता है. It is considered auspicious to have a positive moon.
सर हम मून के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना सर, तो मून रिप्रेजेंट्स मॉम आल्सो, तो ये सिल्वर कॉइन हम मॉम से लेना या हम खुद ही रख सकते हैं?
Good. Mama say low, if your mother can gift, it's good. If mother cannot give, in some cases mother is not there or it's far away, so take it yours. But it is better to take it from mom.
पर्टिकुलरली कितना भी मतलब एनी ग्राम्स और समथिंग सर?
ये मैं बोलता हूँ 200 रुपए का ले लो भाई.
अच्छा.
फीमेल तो love jewelry and everything, so you can take as much as you want. Any questions to the moon or should I start with Mangal? कोई confusion है तो बात करो. You take it as an opportunity, give people are relaxed, so you need to understand in a better way.
For the sun, we had discussed how it behaves in every house. For the moon,
Acha, I forgot. Okay, write it down. Moon in Lagna, I said, what is there? It is a bit of emotional. वो बंदा strong होता है. चंद्र लगन में अच्छा माना जाता है. बंदे के features strong माने जाते हैं, अच्छे माने जाते हैं. Chandra in second house said that person always is never contented with the family affairs. He or she, if they give their opinion also, or if they take an opinion from their family, is not considered very very मतलब वो इतना strong नहीं माना गया. Chandra third house, it is said a bit artistic kind of a personality. Artistic. Moon, Mercury and Venus तीनों artistic देता है third house. Chandra fourth house, good lovable planet. It's a very strong planet. It could be any Rashi for that matter. If it's debilitated also, then also considered good. Chandra in the fourth house, it's good. अच्छा माना गया. Chandra in fifth house, शास्त्र बोलता है अच्छी चीज है. लड़की ज्यादा होती है उस घर में, especially in the male chart. Especially in the male chart, if the moon is in the fifth house, female births मतलब आगे बेटियां संतान वो ज्यादा रहती है. In general, moon fifth house is good, considered auspicious. ऐसा कोई problem. Moon in sixth house, it is said it can give you problems, it can give you hiccups in your health, it can give you hiccups towards your understanding with people. कि मतलब आप competitive तरीके से काम नहीं करोगे. Moon in seventh house, ओके शॉर्ट्स है, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. कंसीडरिंग द राशि, इफ आई से moon in seventh house, जो थोड़ा सा मैंने अपने एक रिलेशनशिप के लिए मैंने जैसे बोला, I told you about the relationships, so you need to be cautious about that. When in general, when his moon is said, you have a sweet female as a male or female, अच्छे नैन नक्षत्र वाला आदमी औरत होता है. Chandra Ashtam is not considered good, especially for children. If that child has a Chandra Ashtam, It is not only auspicious, मरण कारक अवस्था बोला गया चंद्राष्टम के लिए. It's not good, अच्छा नहीं है. तबीयत की प्रॉब्लम होता है. So now suppose any child you see has a Chandra in the 6th, 8th or 12th. The only remedy which is said is Chandriya. Chandriya is what? Crescent moon and has a pearl over it. आपने देखा होगा बहुत लोगों को, they wear a crescent moon and a pearl over it. So Chandriya, that child should be wearing. That is considered helpful. Chandra 9th house is good for dharma relation areas. Chandra 9th house is auspicious for the father related areas also. मतलब वो growth देता है. Chandra 10th house, it is good that person always looks for double income in everywhere. चंद्र 11th हाउस जब बात करते हैं तो उस व्यक्ति के लिए इनकम रिलेटेड पॉसिबिलिटीज बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग रहती है. इट इज सेड फॉर दैट पर्सन एल्डरली फीमेल, मदर लाइक फीमेल या मदर लाइक समबडी, थोड़ी बड़ी औरत या बुजुर्ग का कुछ भी एक स्ट्रांग एट्रीब्यूट क्रिएट करती है. इट इज कंसीडर्ड ऑस्पिशियस. मतलब दे आर द लक फैक्टर्स. चंद्र 11th हाउस वो औरत. फॉर एग्जांपल कंगना, यू हैव अ चंद्र 11th हाउस. So for you, your mother like figure Masi and या कोई बड़ी औरत will be helpful in your case and every time. Any planet in the 11th house, their relationship out there will always be beneficial. Any planet. For an example, somebody is a Mars in 11th house, भाई से बड़े से help मिल सकता है. कि राहु है तो आउटसाइडर से किसी से help आउटसाइड मिल सकता है. मतलब मलिच हो गया टिपिकली, उससे हो गया. सूर्य है तो फादर लाइक फिगर से. That way, right? Chandra 12th house is not considered very auspicious, can give you hiccups towards your sleep issues देता है. Not considered very good. But again, that person 12th house is what I told you, better pleasures. थोड़ा सा वो बंदा थोड़ा सा रॉन्ची सा जैसे बोलते हैं ना, that moody kind of a person in the 12th Chandra 12th house. But 12th Chandra 12th house में ज़्यादा अच्छा माना नहीं गया. It's not that very auspicious being out there. See, I am teaching you on the line. Try to decode it. If you do it more and more, you will get more out of it. See this recording, see this video. These videos are for you people, right? मैंने upload करके छोड़ दिया. I'm not deleting. I'm not doing anything. But see them regularly. उसको समझने की कोशिश करिए. अब आते हैं very important planet, which is known as Mangal, Mars. Vishnu Narayan avatar, which is considered Mangal, is Narsim avatar. In general, when we talk about Mangal, we find two other gods which are connected to Mars. First is undoubtedly 9 बजे क्लास में, प्लीज क्लास में 9 बजे. Hanuman ji is the first god when we talk about Mangal. In south, Subramanya Swami, Murugan, Kartikeya, what we say, is also considered as with Mars. Mangal क्या है? Mangal is your aggression. Mangal क्या है? That is the starting point. You start with an energy. के Mars 4.5. We have to work upon it. We will be working upon it. That is typically Mars. Your aggression, your starting point is Mars. Why starting point? What is the lordship of Mars? Which rashis are those? Aries and Vrishchik, Scorpio, right?
Scorpio.
What is Aries? Aries is the starting of anything and everything. Wherever your Mars is, you will always be very excited about the initiation. Mars as well as the Aries Rashi. Wherever. Mars 10th house में, Aries 12th house में, दोनों का initiation देखा जाएगा. अभी समझाऊंगा उसको, लॉजिक समझाऊंगा. So मंगल क्या है? मंगल is the initiation. मंगल is the starting power. मंगल is the supervisor जो हर चीज को cater out करता है. You when we speak about Narsingh Bhagwan, what is Narsingh about? Narsing's energy is again that aggression energies. He was not cooled enough. उनको दूसरे भगवानों ने शांत किया. तो मुझे फिर हिरण्यकश्यप और पूरी स्टोरी सुनी होगी आप लोग, right? So Mangal is what aggressive energy coming out and playing a role. That is typically Mars. So एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज बोली जाती है. अच्छा, write it down. बड़ा important question है apparently. मांगलिक सुना होगा आप लोगों ने कि मांगलिक है. How to see a Mangalik? It is just a second job. Whenever Mars is in the Lagna, in the 4th house, in the 7th house, in the 8th house, or the 12th house, that person is Mangalik. Clear है? Lagna, 4th, 7th, 8th and 12th. Clear है? अब मंगल क्या है? मैंने क्या बोला? मंगल is high energy source, high energy point है मंगल Mars. Wherever Mars is, energy is being out there. मंगल in Lagna, aggression, थोड़ा सा गर्म दिमाग का जिसको बोलते हैं वो वाला आदमी होगा. राइट। तो इसलिए मांगलिक बोला गया कि एनर्जी, इसलिए मांगलिक की शादी मांगलिक से तब इसलिए बोली जाती है कि दूसरा व्यक्ति उसको कैटर आउट कर ले, संभाल ले। इसका कहीं से ये लॉजिक नहीं है कि दूसरा व्यक्ति मर जाएगा। ये एक बहुत ही मिसकंसेप्शन है शास्त्रों में जहाँ लिखा गया। मंगल 4th हाउस अ बिट नॉट दैट वेरी वेरी ग्रेट टुवर्ड्स द मदरली एरिया, घर की तरफ पे अग्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा रहता है। 7th हाउस बेड प्लेजर, स्पाउस की तरफ पे बहुत ज्यादा रहता है। अष्टम में थोड़ा सा हेल्थ को बोला गया, 8th इज व्हाट योर डेथ एरिया। अष्टम में बोला गया देख लेंगे कर लेंगे। 12th में अगेन बेड प्लेजर्स कमिंग आउट देयर, तो 12th इसलिए बोला कि मांगलिक की शादी मांगलिक से करो, दोनों एनर्जी भिड़ लेंगे साथ में। अब मांगलिक टू अ नॉन मांगलिक, दैट इज वेरी वेरी अग्रेसिव, दैट बंदा चूहे की तरह बैठे, वो कहां संभाल। दैट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट। अंडरस्टैंड द साइंस, मतलब वो पंडित की उसमें मत आओ कि भाई मांगलिक शादी मांगलिक नॉन मांगलिक से होगी तो बंदा मर जाएगा, नहीं होता। मंगल दोष गेट्स कैंसल्ड बाय, ओके आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल्स। इफ मंगल इज इन एरीज और वृश्चिक, स्कॉर्पियो, एनीवेयर इन दीस हाउसेस, 5 हाउसेस, एनीवेयर, ठीक है ना, कहीं भी हो सकता है। मंगल वृश्चिक लगना, मंगल इन लगना, मांगलिक दोष इज कैंसल्ड। इफ मंगल इज इन एरीज और स्कॉर्पियो, और अगर हाउसेस मांगलिक हाउसेस में है तो मांगलिक दोष गेट्स कैंसल्ड। इफ मंगल इज एक्सॉल्टेड, वेयर इज मंगल एक्सॉल्टेड? इन कैप्रिकॉर्न, मांगलिक दोष इज कैंसल्ड। मंगल इज डेबिलिटेटेड, वेयर इज डेबिलिटेटेड? कर्क राशि, मांगलिक दोष इज कैंसल्ड। मंगल इज विद जुपिटर, गुरु के साथ है, गुरु देख रहा है, मांगलिक दोष इज कैंसल्ड। मंगल इज विद राहु केतु, मांगलिक दोष इज कैंसल्ड। So in 70% of the cases, मांगलिक दोष is cancelled. मंगल is combust is what मैंने अभी चंद्र को समझाया था। जब भी कोई प्लेनेट बहुत पास चला जाता है सूर्य के, वो 10 डिग्री मैंने बोला ना, जो नीचे डिग्री लिखा आता है, वो प्लेनेट जल जाता है, it burns itself. Whenever a planet is burnt, its power is very very less. मांगलिक दोष चंद्र मंगल के साथ, मंगल सूर्य के साथ बहुत क्लोज है, अगेन बर्निंग, तो मांगलिक दोष। मंगल हैज टू हैव दैट पावर ना इन जनरल कि भाई वो करने का है, तो उसको नहीं है, तो इसलिए मांगलिक बहुत ज्यादा कैंसिल ही होता है। तो पंडित नहीं बताता, वो इसलिए नहीं बताता, पैसे नहीं देते पंडित, इट्स योर फॉल्ट, इट्स नॉट पंडित फॉल्ट। टुडे व्हेनेवर यू गो टू अ पंडित, व्हाट डू यू गिव हिम? 51 रुपीस, 101 रुपीस टू सी योर हॉरोस्कोप, और 10 रुपीस, 11 रुपीस पीपल से दैट। तो हाउ डिड दैट पंडित हैव हिज, क्या आता है 11 रुपए में या 101 रुपए में भी क्या आता है? नथिंग। एक बर्गर भी नहीं आता भाई, बर्गर किंग का तो क्या कहीं का भी नहीं आता, करेक्ट है ना? So we do not treat them. That's the reason they make up the Saraswati, they make up Mangalik and what is the Kalsarp yoga, these kind of areas. So Kalsarp yoga का मैं डिस्कशन करूंगा तो आप लोगों को समझाऊंगा what is Kalsarp yoga. तो इस चक्कर में पंडित डरा देता तो आप लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं यार प्रॉब्लम है, हो जाएगा। मैं इसलिए बोलता हूँ डरो मत, अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। लॉजिक समझ आ गया? आज तो मांगलिक से तो नहीं डरोगे मेरे ख्याल से, आई एम श्योर।
सर एक डाउट है इसमें सर, राहु केतु तो सबके कट्टर दुश्मन है ना सर?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं। राहु केतु आर वेरी फ्रेंडली टू वीनस, राहु केतु वेरी वेरी फ्रेंडली टुवर्ड्स शनि आल्सो, नॉट कंसीडर्ड बैड।
बट मंगल के साथ कैसे सर?
Mars is the only planet which can control every planet. Understand? I always say, अब मेरे कई पोस्ट में देखोगे तो श्री राम, जय राम, जय राम, हनुमान जी, I'm a very Hanuman fan. Hanuman ji was the shishya of whom? Surya. The god was the with the lordship of Surya, he learned everything. So Surya and Mars are going well. Moon again plays a very very important role. Moon and Chandra, Mangal and Chandra has the ego roles, but they are not very very aggressive towards it. मतलब एक साथ बोला जाए तो प्रॉब्लम देता है, मतलब कहते हैं ना 4 दोस्तों का पैक है, 2 दोस्त लड़ते ही लड़ते हैं, जो मर्जी कर लो एक साथ में, तो उन दोनों का वो हाल है। चंद्र गुरु, सॉरी मंगल गुरु अगेन, इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया, गुरु कंट्रोल्स दैट। मंगल राहु कमिंग इन, देयर वाज अ स्टोरी, हनुमान जी पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, राहु आया और कहता है मैं सूर्य तेरे को डस जाऊंगा, आई कर्स यू एंड आई ईट यू। तो हनुमान जी इतना मारा राहु को कि वो भाग गया, तो फिर इंद्र के पास गया, ऐसे कैसा करा, क्या नहीं किया। दैट्स अ स्टोरी टिपिकली बीइंग आउट देयर, राइट? सो राहु, whenever we have a Rahu related problem, it is always said to pray to Hanuman. Mercury is again very neutral. Mercury doesn't create a havoc towards Mangal. Shukracharya also knows about it. They do not create a havoc. Shani Ketu comes in the power. Ketu is also said towards Mangal. वो शनिवत राहु कुजवत केतु. There is a line called शनिवत राहु कुजवत केतु. राहु acts like Saturn, केतु acts like मंगल. कहीं पर भी अकेले भी होंगे, उसको समझाऊंगा कभी जब राहु केतु पे बात करूंगा तब समझाऊंगा। केतु doesn't create a hiccup. शनि मंगल ना, तो शनि was what? हनुमान जी again Shani was the guru bhai of Mangal. Why? Because Surya Pita, and we spoke about it. हनुमान जी एक बारी चैलेंज हुआ दोनों के बीच में कौन ज्यादा सुपीरियर है, तो हनुमान जी से मैं नहीं करना चाहता आपके साथ, आप मेरे गुरु के बेटे हो, नहीं, I want to see you, how can dare. तो हनुमान जी said, okay, let's fight, not an issue. तो हनुमान जी ने हरा दिया था शनि को. We have heard that. That's the reason it is said कि भाई अगर शनि प्रॉब्लम देता है, साढ़े सती चलता है, या if you want to control शनि, तो pray to हनुमान जी. Oh, there's a remedy also. Whenever there is sarasati going on or dhaiya going on, reading Sundarkand is considered auspicious. Or if you cannot read Sundarkand, to reading Hanuman Chalisa or praying to Hanuman Ji, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, for that matters, it will be helpful to you. So मैं तो एक ही बात मानता हूँ, खाली हनुमान जी की पूजा कर लो. It helps you everywhere. It helps you in every attribute. So Mangal, for that matters, you now see my page in a very different angle now. Whenever I write a remedy, 7 days a week, 3 times it is about Hanumanji. You ever see my, that I don't know why I have another, वो कहते हैं ना, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, मेरा एक चुंबकी attraction. I'm so क्या कहते हैं ना, attracted towards Martian energies. So going back, Mangal is what? Mangal is that aggressive energy which can take care of you anywhere and everywhere. You are into problem. What does it say? Hanuman Chalisa. Why? It's not a joke. हमारे शास्त्रों में भी अगर लिखा गया तो कोई हनुमान मंगल की पूजा करना, it's not a joke. In South, understand who was the one who protected everybody? Kartikeya Murugan. South was the first area which was taken away from the demons. Demons immediately controlled the South. That is the reason Mahadev was asked to kindly come, but Mahadev didn't have time. He had to try different areas to work upon. So he had sent the commander-in-chief Kartikeya, which we call North Kartikeya बोलते हैं, South में Murugan बोलते हैं. So Murugan was the one who took care, and he made a point. Every demon is out of it. हर व्यक्ति को हो रहा है. तो आज भी इसलिए पूजा की साउथ में किसको बोला गया, किसकी पूजा बोली गई? कार्तिकेय स्वामी की, मुरुगन की बोली गई. We say Kartikeya, they say Murugan or Subramanya Swami. There is a logic behind other thing. Why Subramanya Swami? I'll talk about that also. So Mangal energies are that whenever you are in the problem, you always ask for Mars to help you out by any means. तो नॉर्थ में क्या बोला गया था हनुमान जी की पूजा? बिकॉज नॉर्थ में हमारे लिए कार्तिकेय भगवान में क्या बोला कि शिवलिंग है, तो देवी पार्वती है, गणेश जी हैं, तो कार्तिकेय तो उनकी यहाँ पूजा करते. बट we do not know the puja, right? Because नॉर्थ में वो ज्यादा टाइम रही भी नहीं. I'll be very clear. If I ask anybody, no, in North India do not pray Kartikeya very, very well. There in Delhi, there is just one mandir which is given to Kartikeya. That is Malai Mandir in R.K. Puram. If you have seen, just once go out there, you will fall in love with that mandir. You will fall in love with that mandir. How beautiful it is done. That is the beauty of Kartikeya. So Murugan had always been that area which was always controlled. Again, martial energy had to take care. So there's a beautiful story out of it. So Kartikeya, known as Murugan in South, and has another name which is called as Subramanya Swami. So why Subramanya Swami name was given to Kartikeya? And there's a logic behind it to understand that. I'll tell you the remedy out of it. What happened? Kartikeya again, always very aggressive. You must have seen any stories also. So he was always aggressive. भाई वो पिता माता के वो सृष्टि के चक्कर काटने, गणपति played a strong role by taking a round of Mama Papa. He took the total round. Ganpati was on whom? Who was the savari of Ganpati? Chua, nice. And he had that peacock. वो उड़ गए. He was street smart. चल भी peacock. उन्होंने गणपति ने कहा, why elephant head? He has a strong memory. He has a strong brain. He took the चक्कर. उन्होंने पूरी शास्त्र पढ़े थे. उन्होंने बोला, वे संसार माँ और पिता के बीच में होता है. And he took 3 rounds and he won it. That was the Ganpati. So Kartik again came. Again aggression came out there. ये क्या बात हुई? आप हमेशा ऐसे करते हो, उसको ज्यादा करते हो. Came out there. So there was another story to it. Parvati was talking to Kartikeya for some reasons. कुछ काम समझा रहे थे. And Kartikeya again got offended and he started that typically aggression energies. Kartikeya's energy was never confined. It was always aggression. Always aggression. So Mahadev also tried to calm him down. He started bursting with Mahadev also. Father. अब भाई माता पिता तो बच्चे के लिए होता है ना. They understand. They have that common area. So then Mahadev understood that he is getting out of his control and it is not good for him. So what he said, he proposed Kartikeya, you need to calm down. You are a god. You are given a Dev Paddhati, and if you behave like that, it will be a problem. So he realized there was a problem. So who are they from Bangalore or the south areas? Anybody from here?
Sir, I'm from Chennai, sir.
Chennai. Do you understand? So क्या बोला था मैं Kartikeya को? You have to write down the Shastras. He wrote down those books and everywhere. That is where the Subramanya Swami came in. That is the reason he was called Subramanya. Subramanya energies are very, very calm. He, क्या बोला जाता है ना, you take out your energies while aggression or while pen. You write it down while the energy or you aggressively energies. So he took out the aggression towards the pen. That is the reason Mahadev gave him the name as Subramanya Swami. Whenever Mangal is very, very aggressive, where that you see Mangal Shani coming out there, that person is always that anger issues, Manglik, for example. He or she should be always chanting or a mantra Om Shri Subramanya Namaha. Morgan, Kartikeya is different. I understand. They are the same areas. There is no difference. But that name coming out there is very, very common. Subramanya was the peaceful character of or peaceful name for Kartikeya Bhagwan. That's the reason said like that, right? So उसको बोला इसलिए बोला गया कि इधर understand aggression कैसे निकलता है, लड़ाई करके निकलता है, जिम जाके निकलता है. Again इसलिए हनुमान जी जिम, every muscle man is praying to whom? हनुमान जी. Or else you write it down. कलम में बहुत power होती है. We say that, right? So that is where that energy is getting out of it. That's the reason Subramanya Swami plays that. He played that role to control, to pacify those energies. Hanuman ji was always aggressive. Hanuman is aggressive. Kartikeya is aggressive. But that Kartikeya's different root coming out as Subramanya is very, very calm and composed. He took out those energies. उनकी वही एनर्जी छवि बन के आई थी जो उसकी पूजा होती है क्या वो बिल्कुल कामनेस में रहती है. Else you ever see Kartikeya is always holding that and towards an aggression area every time. But Subramanya, he's sitting out there and very, very calm about it. Right?
So I have a question.
Again, coming back to Mangal.
One question. As you said that Hanuman ji is aggressive and जिनके मंगल aggressive होते हैं. So people, I have heard. I have no idea about it, but I have heard that लोग बोलते हैं कि हनुमान जी की पूजा नहीं करनी चाहिए if आपके मंगल बहुत है तेज होता है. तो ऐसा कुछ relatable है?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. हनुमान जी की पूजा, okay, Hanuman ji's puja is done by different methodologies. एक is when we speak about Hanuman Chalisa is already very, very old. Hanuman Chalisa is somewhere where was बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना नहीं है, शास्त्र पौराणिक नहीं है. तो हनुमान जी के लिए क्या बोला गया? If you want to pacify, if you want to have a positive Hanuman ji's vibes, so it always said pray to whom? Pray to Ram. It always said that, right? Now understand planetary areas. Who was Surya to Hanuman? Guru. A teacher-student relationship is very, very different. It's very, 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 very calm and composed. Very, very calm and composed. A student is always like this in front of the teacher. Let it be by any means. Guru Shishya Parampara आप कभी भी उठा लो. Today, talking about 20-30 years, we always try to be very rude towards our teachers in the school area and colleges. I understand. But today also in Gurukuls, the students are always like this and they are like this. I'm in Uttarakhand, I know whenever I go to Pahar, Srinagar, Garhwal, for that matters, students are always like that, Guruji. They always like that, very, very calm. I've seen the teachers test them, but then also they are very, very calm. So Mangal being out there, Hanuman was a very strong roop. Hanuman ji was called Shankar Swayam Kesari Nanda. Mahadev coming out there again. So Kartikeya के लिए मैं एक वो समझा रहा था, that's a remedy. हनुमान जी का कभी भी calm and composed, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Shri Ram, Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Ram. That is the reason you sing Hanuman Chalisa as many times. That is to help your